Special thanks to this company who was nice enough to send us this set of blue plates. So we're going to go through the unboxing and show you exactly what these plates look like so you know what you get when you are ordering these. So let's cut the tape. Let's see what we have in here. We got some styrofoam. Love our styrofoam. So we're gonna kind of push them. There we go. That's it for the box. And here are our plates. So these are much smaller, as you can see. Love the feel of them though. Nice logo on the back and a very, very nice blue, dark brown around the edge. Love that. You get one in that color, and then you get this color blue. Has the same like brown lining. Love that. Very, very nice looking plates. These look almost the same, but they're not. This is a more teal color, or a brighter teal. This is like a very, very, very light blue, but also has, I like how it kind of drips down. That's very unique. Never seen that. But love the look of these. They feel good and sturdy. I don't think they would break easily. Take all of them out here. Let's get rid of that. Get rid of that. This one is almost like a baby blue color. Very nice. Just some of the nicest dinnerware I've ever seen. And they're all circly. This one as well also seems very close, but as you can see, 3 different colors there. All have the same logo there. Very nice. Love these. And then this is a more darker green, but with that same brown on the edges. These are some very nice plates. That'll do it for these plates. These are the 6 colors that you would get and what they would look like. Quality feels amazing, and they of course look amazing. So thanks again to this company for sending these to me so I could unbox and show you what comes inside of here. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.